Good evening, everybody. The Daily Trader. It is February 24th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla had a very interesting day, like pretty much all other stocks at the same time. We closed up $36.73. That's 4.81%. We closed at 877. Post-market, we are down $2.32. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Big green candle like we like to see them. The low of the day was 700, breaking our downward channel resistance right here and getting close to what I consider support at 695. So that was close enough. And then we rallied up super high and closed at 800 and went a little bit higher at 802. So that's an incredible day even with what is happening on the political front. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So everything, let me just adjust this here. So everything happened basically in the first hour. We had this big move up. And then we could not close above 765 on the first hour. Then we spent 3 days going sideways. So people did not know what they wanted to do. But then from the 5th hour, we started to go up, boom. And we even broke on the 1 hour chart. We broke our downward resistance. This short-term trend is over because we broke and closed outside of it in the time frame that we are looking at. So the time frame we are looking at is at the 1 hour. So we have a candle outside of the resistance on the 1 hour chart. So this is considered a break. I like to confirm my breaks with a little bit of a stochastic over 60. And we have that too. So from a hourly chart, this is a clean break. We are out of this particular downward channel. Now, it does not really mean that we are going to go super high. That this is not what it means, but at least we won't go down at this rate. So we could go sideways, we could go down at a lower rate, or we could go up. And on the 1 hour chart, yes, we even have MACD that crossed over positive. So that's a good sign. We have RSI close to 50 and DMI is still waiting to give us a bull signal. What is worthy of mention is that we tried to break this resistance here, but could not. We tried it here, we could not here. And stochastic was super low when these breaks were attempted. And now we have this break, we have stochastic higher, and MACD did not even cross over bullish when we tried these things here. And we know that MACD is very sensitive. When a stock stops dropping, MACD is one of the first indicators to cross back over. And now we have stochastic at the same time. So this is a nice clean break. From an hourly perspective, that's nice to see. So from a daily perspective, of course, the daily chart is going to need a little bit more to be convinced that things are going to turn around. We have bounced on this downward channel support. This downward channel support, we bounced on it, but to start going on the other side, on this side of the channel, I would like to see a break of 835, which is the top of the previous candle. I would like us to break this, or at least 800. If we break 800 with a nice stochastic, I will start to believe it also. So this is what you need to start checking to see if we are going to try to reach around 940. On the daily chart, stochastic at 35. MACD still has not broken over bullish. RSI climbing a little bit. And DMI is not even impressed at. For DMI, this move up still has increased the bearishness in the stock. My opinion, for my own money, it's not the time to get in at this point and start buying the stock because it has not proven itself that the trend has really changed. The trend has only changed on the 1 hour chart, but in order to see the trend change on the daily chart, we are going to need a stochastic a little bit higher and some resistance broken like 800 and 835 just to be nice. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, consider becoming a YouTube member. It's only $5 a month. It's going to make me happy and you will get a few perks. You will get to choose the stocks I analyze on Friday. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link to use this great tool. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.